In 2018, RCA was delighted to be chosen as one of 2 Summit Learning partner schools in the state of Alaska. We partnered with the Summit Learning platform in order to provide additional support for our students, our teachers, and our parents. Summit Learning, in their partnership, provides us with excellent use of the platform that we use to track our student progress, and teachers can use it to be able to track their mentor check-ins, and then also we use it to host our curriculum. The best way to think about the Summit Learning platform is to think about that it's our combination of PowerSchool, Canvas, and then probably a couple other programs on top of it too that teachers would create in their own room. So at the same time, outside of just the platform itself, Summit Learning also provides our teachers with excellent professional development. We often meet together as Summit Learning schools in a community of teachers and principals who share the same learning strategies, the same philosophies about education, and also the same pillars about how schools can best serve the needs of students. Summit Learning is a partner in what we do. It is not the only reason we do things. It is at best, I guess I could explain it as it's a tool that we use to meet the 3 pillars that we talked about before for our approach to education. If you have questions and as you would like to learn more about Summit Learning, I encourage you to look at some of the parent videos that are out there. There's a series of 1-minute videos that I created about Summit and how to log into Summit. And then also bring any questions that you have to those coffee and conversations that we talked about that are available if you have questions. Thanks.